So you've used the healing stamp tool, you've used the clone stamp tool, so now I'm going to show you how to use the patch tool. So with the patch tool, it's similar to the other two tools to remove things or move things around a bit. So look at the shadow of the lights on the grass here. So I want to remove them, just have it normal grass. I could do it quite easily with the healing brush tool, but there might be times when it's a bit too difficult to use that and it's easier to use the patch tool. So for the patch tool, I can do like just draw around it, just left clicking on the mouse, draw around it to select it, and then you just touch it and then move it to the area where you want it to fill the gap. And then you just draw around another bit. You can go off the screen and then it'll join it up till all the marching ants start moving, and then you can just move it to a place in the image where you want it to fill in the gap. So I can do it here as well and move it to that part, and then I could do it just, you can do smaller areas or larger areas. So here I've got a bit here, and then you just select, deselect, and then you can see all the shadows have disappeared. So that's the patch tool, which you might want to use instead of the healing brush or instead of the clone stamp. So for example, if I wanted to move one of these bulbs, like remove one of them, I could just draw around it like this, and then I could just move it into the blue space like that. It does leave a little shadow here. You have these other settings up here, so you've got this one here, and then you've got these other ones. So if I use the next setting along and did that, and then if we use the next setting along and did it, it's not even highlighting it. So if I can now, if we go back to the square one, I can highlight the bit I've moved and move that again. So it's not perfect. So if I want to use the healing brush, I'll probably get a better result just using the healing brush. Yep, much better result just using the healing brush. This is why the healing brush is my favourite tool. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.